Okay, my name is Gavelo Mavuga. I'm 26 years old. I live in Protea Clan in Soweto. In 2015 November, I started suffering from severe headaches. When I went to the first doctor, he thought that I've got an allergic reaction because I was swelling up. So I had to keep on constantly going back for medication. But then I wasn't satisfied and I decided to see another GP who really diagnosed me with Bell's palsy, the swelling of an area on the face whereby you become half paralyzed. I started getting treatment for that until early this year in 2016. From the Bell's palsy, I started having constant headaches. No medication was really helping me. So I was referred to Baragwanath Hospital where I had more tests done and a CT scan which came back and showed that everything in my brain is normal for a 26-year-old. Yet the headaches were still there. I was undergoing different treatments every month and I had to go back for my checkups, but still there was no change until late this year in October. I decided to really just Google and see where I can find a specialist, somebody who'll be able to assist and help find the roots of the problems. A week before I came to the headache clinic, I went to another GP who said I have general migraines, and then I was prescribed some medication which cost 930. The medication only worked for 1 week. Then I started having the severe headaches. I went back to my GP again and I told her what is happening. She said my nerves are not functioning well, but I was really determined to find the root of the problem and the cause of my headaches. I went to the internet, then I started searching for specialists. Then I saw the headache clinic and I was like to myself, no matter how much it costs, I need to go there. They might finally help me after suffering with severe headaches for a year. I started contacting the headache clinic by the 26th of October to get an appointment. I was booked for an appointment for the 28th of October, whereby I took 4.5 hours for a diagnosis to be made. Then they finally told me that my artery on the left was busy stretching out, causing so much pain to me. I was due for surgery on the 3rd of November, which was really successful. Since I had the surgery, I've had no severe pains since then. I'm no longer so sensitive to light and sound. Before the surgery, my life really came to a standstill. I would have to take off work and be at home just to rest because I couldn't concentrate, focus, or do any of my normal duties. At work, I would have to just be on leave more often. More days I was at home than I was at work. Even socializing, I preferred to be at home because everywhere I went, I would have the headache. 2 weeks I would be fine, 2 weeks I would be sick to a point where I can't concentrate. I'm not able to do my normal everyday duties. But since I've been to the headache clinic, the treatment has really just helped me so much, whereby I'm better now. I'm able to focus and just give 100% of my best in everything that I do. To the headache clinic staff, thank you so much for your assistance. It's not just a job, it's really by making other people feel better. You're not just a clinic, but a place where people really have hope. And to Dr. Shevel and the rest of the doctors, just thank you so much. Today, as I'm talking, I feel so much better. I feel that every day is really more joyous than the 1 year that passed. Thank you.